Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how does a virtual data room handle document printing and watermarking. So in a virtual data room, VDR documents printing and watermarking are typically handled through a specific feature and settings provided by the VDR platforms. Here how each of these functions is commonly addressed. Number 1. Document printing. Virtual data room generally offer controlled printing option to maintain confidentiality and prevent unauthorized distribution of sensitive information. These specific printing capabilities or restrictions can vary depending on the VDR provider and the settings chosen by the VDR administrators. Number 2. Print disabling. VDRs often include the ability to disable printing altogether, restricting user from printing and document with platform. This helps user prevent physical copies from being made and ensure that information remains within the secure digital environment. Printing watermarking. In case VDR allow administrators to apply watermarks when printing documents, watermarks are typically used to indicate the confidentiality or restricted nature of information. The watermark may include text such as confidential or draft or visual element such as logos and patterns that overlay contain the printed document. It is important to note that specific printing capabilities and restrictions may vary depending on the VDR provider and subscription plan chosen. Some VDRs may offer more advanced printing controls such as print tracking and audit logs to monitor track the printing activities.